Hello and thanks for your time. Step 1. Loosen screws. Step 2. Remove the clutch. Step 3. Pull the case away from the top and remove the cable, with the blue connector. Step 4. Disconnect the motor and heater power supply wires from the front panel. Step 5. Unscrew the 6 screws and pull the plate up and out. Step 6. Loosen the motor drive and check the timing belt for damage. Step 7. Install new impeller and tension timing belt, then tighten the 4 bolts on motor base. Step 8. Check toothed belt tension and adjust if necessary. Assemble everything in reverse order. Step 9. Do a functional test to see if everything is working properly. That's it. You can find all products in the video description under the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you later.